falconry? Well, not only the men, but the ladies as well. You see, the lady of higher status would go out hunting with her very own hawk. And joining us this afternoon, everyone, is our lovely medieval lady. Hi, lady. That's a fine-looking hawk you have there. And when the lady goes out hunting, she will not go alone. She'll be accompanied by an assistant falconer with the hunting dog. And here they come. The dog's main purpose is to sniff out potential prey that could be hiding somewhere in the bushes. And once the dog has picked up the scent of the prey, right, it will then go into a point, indicating the direction of the prey. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's divert our attention to our lady over here. If you notice, she's holding on to a very gorgeous-looking raptor. Well, this is a Harris's hawk. Harris's hawks are very commonly used in falconry because these birds are known for their ability to maneuver very well. They're also very sociable and easy to train. Extremely intelligent birds of prey, very good choice for hunting. I mentioned the word hunting, right? Do you want to see some hunting right now? Yes, okay, but before that, let's see if our hunting dog is able to pick up the scent of a prey nearby. I think he already did. He's leading the assistant falconer towards the bush area. Ladies and gentlemen, he's following a scent trail right now. You see him sniffing the ground? Okay, take a look at the dog. He's creeping up very slowly. See, does not want to alarm the prey, and yes, we've got a confirmation. Looks like our hawk is now ready for the hunt. There goes the prey, out goes the hawk, and whoa! That was a very nice catch. A round of applause for the hawk, everyone. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please do not be alarmed, okay? That is not a live prey. We do not use live preys now, sure. That would be a dummy prey. Being the lady of her status, she will not touch the tail. That would be the job of the assistant falconer. What the lady will do is, she'll do a simple exchange and pick the hawk up. So, my good man, can we see what the hawk has brought for us? Ah, nice big juicy rabbit, well done. Now lady, are we having it for supper? There you go, let's give them a round of applause. Our medieval falconers and our very happy dogs. Ladies and gentlemen, look right back there. Is the white-tailed sea eagle. The white-tailed sea eagles can be found throughout the coastal areas of Europe. In fact, they are considered to be one of the largest species of eagles that you can find in the UK. The main source of diet of these birds consists of fish, but they're also known to go for smaller birds and mammals as well. Take a good look at him, everyone. Don't you think he's a pretty big eagle? Well, if you think he's big, the females are much larger. For the males, right, wingtip to wingtip, it's about 1.8 meters. For the females, they can hit up to 2.4. So you can imagine how big, strong, and powerful the girls are, right? Well, that was Julia, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause. Our white-tailed sea eagle. Thank you very much, Julia. All the way inside. Good boy. Now, besides the flights of eagles, hawks, and falcons, the modern falconer will also fly his nocturnal counterpart. When I mention the word nocturnal, what type of a bird of prey comes to your mind? Say louder. Owls, there you go. The modern falconer will also fly owls, and this is to mainly demonstrate an owl's ability of silent flight. Now, I'm pretty sure the folks on this side did not hear the owl fly low above you, right? But you have that, yeah? Owls have this ability to fly very silently without making any noise at all. Now, this is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this very soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. Well, that's not the only reason. There's another reason too. What do owls mainly hunt for at night? Anyone knows? Mice and rats, rodents. Rodents come out at night, and these rodents have very sensitive hearing. So the owl would have to be very quiet in order to catch its prey without being detected at all. Now everyone, this very adorable looking owl over here is Palang, that's his name. He's our Malay fish owl, and they can be found throughout Southeast Asia. This particular species has evolved to hunt for fish, so that makes them pretty unique, right? Can you hear him call? Good boy. He understood you pretty well. Okay, that's how he calls, all right? And by the way, he's a very special owl to us. Palang was hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Park at our Breeding and Research Center, which is located right up there. He's about 7 years old this year. That's right, 7 years old. We're very proud of him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, talking about these owls in general, there are more than 200 species of owls that can be found throughout the world. More than 200. But none of them can be found in Antarctica. And having said that, Palang will now be joined by our parade of owls. Here they come, one by one. And we're going to watch Palang make a short flight back home. Good boy. Pretty gorgeous looking owls making their way out, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start off with this massive looking one on my left. Everyone, this is Max. What's his name? Well done. Max is our Eurasian eagle owl. The Eurasian eagle owls can be found throughout Europe and Asia, and they are considered to be the world's largest and most powerful owls. This bird is so strong that it is capable of bringing down a fox. That's how powerful they are. You see eagles bringing down foxes, right, on owls? Well, this guy is capable of doing it. Okay, he's check out massive talents, everyone. And by the way, just like Palang, Mac was also hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park. He's about 3 years old this year, okay? Very proud of him. Now moving along, everyone, we've got Rika. Rika is our Bengal eagle owl, and the Bengal eagle owls can be found in India. They are also known as the rock eagle owls because these birds are known to be found on rocky surfaces. Now, if you take a look at Rika and you take a look at Max, you will notice that they almost look alike, right? They are just a difference in size, but in fact, they are two different species, right? And oh, everyone, once again, take a look at Rika. You notice she's able to turn her head to the back quite a bit. Yeah? Now, how many degrees do you think an owl can turn its head?
280.
Sorry?
280.
200 and? 270? 270? 360?
280.
How about the folks from this side? Very quiet today. Sorry? 200 and? 300 degrees. Okay. I'll tell you what, make this easier for everyone. How many of you say it's 360? 360, raise your hands. 360. What about 270? 270. Okay. 180. 180. 200 degrees. Well, the correct answer would be 270 degrees. That's right. 360 not possible, that is a full circle. The owl might twist its neck, alright? We don't want that happening. Thank you very much, Rika. Lastly, everyone, we've got Winona. Winona is our spotted wood owl. These spotted wood owls can also be found in Southeast Asia. In fact, they are the largest species of owls that you can find right here in Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have one more look at our owls while they make their way back home. Once again, let's give them another big round of applause. Thank you. Our lovely parade of owls. And if you'd like to catch more of these nocturnal birds of prey, feel free to visit the World of Darkness. We've got a variety of owl species right back there. Right now, everyone, we have come to the very interactive part of the show. It's time for an audience participation. Now, I am looking for a volunteer. Oh, somebody, hang on. I need the help of an adult volunteer. So sorry, kids, all right? How about a brave, strong lady to help me out? Okay, and the lady in pink t-shirt, why don't you make your way down here? Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. Hello, right this way. And then come stand right over here. Why don't you tell everyone what's your name and where you're from?
I'm Mariam and I'm from India.
Mariam from?
India.
From India. Welcome to Singapore, Mariam. I've got a question for you. How many of you from India today? Welcome to Singapore. Welcome to Jurong Bird Park. Alright? So, Mariam, have you ever handled any birds of prey before, like a hawk or an eagle? Owl? No. No, well, today is a very lucky day. Very shortly, we're going to get a bird of prey to fly down and land on your arm. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, Maria, before all this takes place, right, what I need you to do is put this glove on your left arm. Make sure it fits very well. Okay? Once you're comfortable, stretch your arm out in front. Very good. Okay. Now, this is the most important part, so you'll have to listen up very carefully, right? When the bird flies down and lands on your arm, you have to keep very still. Because it's a pretty huge bird of prey. It's about this size. That's right. So when it lands with a big impact like this. You'll be able to keep very still?
Okay.
No problem?
Okay.
You'll try. Are you nervous?
Yeah,
Uh-oh. Promise me you'll not run away?
I won't.
You won't, right? Okay, very good. Now, Mariam and everyone else, if you're all set, look right up there. Can you see how many go? Oh, there she comes. Whoa, wow. And a touchdown. Well done, well done. And we're going to watch her make a flight to Shahira, right over there. There you go. Okay, keep very still. There you go. Nice flight. So, how was that?
She was heavy.
She was heavy. Okay, now take a look at the bird. Do you know what type of a bird of prey that is? Not too sure. I'll give you a hint. They feed on carcasses. Vultures, very good. To be exact, that would be a hooded vulture. Hooded vultures are one of the smallest vultures that you can find in Africa. Would you like to handle her one more time? Yes, okay. This time then you stand over here. And the folks over here to get a better view of our vulture. Once again, face the audience, stretch your arm out. Very good. Okay, keep very still, don't move, right? I call for her name. Her name is Hazel.
Hazel.
There you go, here she comes. Whoa, there you go, very nice. Slowly swing your arm around and pose for a nice picture. And meantime, hold up with this mic, please. So, you said Hazel was heavy, right? How many kilos do you think she weighs? Make a wild guess. Come on. How many kilos? Roughly. The glove is very light. Okay, she's about, one more guess one. Go ahead. Okay, about 2 kilos. That's all. Okay, 2 kilos. Can you hold her for the next 15 minutes? No? Sure, no problems? Okay, bye. You're on your own. No, I was just joking, right? We're going to watch her make a flight back home. Hazel, you've done well. Time for you to head back home all the way back to Shah. Good job. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. Hooded vulture. Thank you. Okay, Mariam. So once again, how was that experience handling a vulture? Awesome, right? So when you head back home to India, you can tell your friends that you took a picture with a vulture. Okay? Before you go, I've got some goodies for you. First of all, this is a little magnet of the ostrich. You want this? Hang on. You have to answer a simple question. Hazel, what type of a vulture was she? A small vulture. What, help out? Hooded vulture, alright, this is for you, some Kleenex rub your hands. By the way, this is a voucher from the Volvo shop. What you can do is after the show, head down to the shop and exchange this for a personalized digital souvenir, okay? This is for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Mariam from India! Big round of applause, thank you. Very brave and sporting volunteer. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day in the park. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we continue. One vulture, we bring you more. start introducing them one by one. First of all, this big guy on my arm, this would be the white-headed vulture. And we've got 3 more smaller vultures on the carcass right there. Those are the white-backed vultures. All these birds can be found in Africa. Whoa! With the exception of this big brown guy right over here, the Synadius vulture from Europe and Asia. And it's very common to see all of them coexist with one another in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Robert joining us. Them make a few more catches, right? And with that, ladies and gentlemen, after having seen all these birds flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that these birds certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Well, thank you very much, everyone. All of you are more than welcome to come forward and take pictures of the birds flying around. And if you have any questions regarding the birds you saw on the show, feel free to ask me, okay? Before you go, please remember to take all your belongings with you. Bring a